There's three things that I need to address. Firstly, it's the very same point that I kuluma upagania la piana Dr. Khumalo. We are addressing you specifically, Dr. Khumalo. We love you as South Africans. We respect you as South Africans. We will never stop loving you and respecting you. But you need to do the same with us. Dr. Khumalo, next time when you strike your point, please, let's start the basics. Let us speak in our language. Because we know what communication is not your communication is not your strongest point. So you're trying to speak English, Dr. Khumalo, iyakhula. You end up ukhuluma into ongazazi. You understand? So when we asifanela nombokazi wethu usikhulumela isiZulu, sizo understand. You understand? So stop talking English ongayazi because you complicating things, you end up saying things that you're not supposed to be saying. Secondly, we've got the Rolls Royce of South African football, Bafethu, and very undermined and very unnoticed. Lebone Siema, that man, Bafethu, is our next Lucas Radebe. Yeah. Lebone Siema, you are our next Lucas Radebe. We love you. There's potential. We know World Cup 2026, 2027. Lebone Siema, you will be there. Lebone Siema will be there. So Dr. Khumalo, please, as Mapagania, we love you and respect you, but you need to give us respect that we give you in return. Up the bags.
Before we're born Pirates. Pirates yadlala bafethu. Yadlala Pirates and ayikho into izosivimba. Last 33 points siye phambili. Noma ubani azayo siyashaya siyandlula siye phambili. Sayisivale amehlo kahle kahle. So mangibuye egamini bafethu uMakhehleni Makhawula washa ku press conference athi mina andiyeki ibhola iPirates ingakathathi league uthi this season isizini yakhe yakuyeka ibhola sikhomba ukuthi siyayithatha iBetway siyayithatha this year iSundowns neChiefs abakhohle let them concentrate le bakhona le Africa anithi bona bathi badlala eAfrica bathi baconcentrate eAfrica siyazi ukuthi iAfrica lebo zodlala after this game yiphi because bozobuya la bathi bona bayazi iplane bahamba ngeplane airport to airport abalazi ibhasi so bafowethu iPirates team yegovernment le niyabona istadium usala sigcwele bafowethu sihlala sigcwele istadium and as need assistance ukuthi sigcwalise arena yethu and asina coach thina sine manager that's the only team la eAfrica sine manager lamanye ama team lawo bazozibiza bona ukuthi ama big team but banama coach and banama stadium thina sine arena thina yes ngibuya futhi bafowethu ngizowona le Grootman uDr Khumalo ama legends yawahlonipha bafowethu but uDr Khumalo angathi iSundowns ya dominate thina because iSundowns ine inkinga zayo na iSundowns my team iba nenkinga zazo ibeyithatha advantage my team ithola red card we capitalize ukuthi bayashota labantu fana nabo basalwa le eClorocop we keep on capitalizing sikoleka ama points thina siyabuya lapha thina ilose yethu asinayo this season ilose kuzoba idraw and we don't need it we collect maximum 3 points that's it.
Thanks Emmanuel Bopa.
Here we are. Maar Pirates is er wel uit. Kijk pinesse. Arco Shagofela. Pirates is er toch wel kijk pinesse. Shapa Mapagania Shapa. Shapa Pagania Shapa. Ha. Ufaile para Paul Rasenberg.
Kimnati Mapagania. Ntweke boni mfandaga. Gigeme mnati. Gigeme Valentine. Bomme ba rona, basadi ba rona, Pirates ba file Valentine mnati ya 3-0. Ga re shebile game ya Sundowns ka laboraro, ge lida ka 6 points, meaning ka Wednesday go lo collect another 3 points, ge lida ka 9 points. Pirates the way e dalang ka teng, the way coach etsa nitho ka teng, like ane ke bua last, o ke se predict rona o tlo kenya mang a ska kenya mang. Go reach and every time wa kenya fela gona re fihla fela le hore ke whoever mo nkang a mo kenya fela it's like o nka borotho fela wa tshasa ka rama o tshasitse e dira ke bo brown ka be ke bo white o sala motlo ba mnate.
Man of the match today?
Re lo tletse shapo ke ena re mo family of the match mara majitsa tletse shapo ka ofela ntengwe hape ke tlotla ke tsho a ke re mo ke arena John Ra Stadium mo tshulong la ka ba tshulo stadium o ngana bapala anyone kana go ngwe le ngwe hore batho ba re una stadium ba tenga babayo jwalo ka Wednesday Ramani Stadium go lo bapala mo no le Sundowns mo le Roking Chiefs ya ke re stadium sa bona a bola mthuthu ba tle ba le siko mo so ra bapala ba le teng ka ba le siko e seng arena re save arena for Nedbank Cup. Thank you.
So Pagania Bopa.
Yes, Brian. I'm a happy soul. I'm a happy fan. Pirates, Wabona, I think I like the technique of Pirates. If you have Pirates, the coach of Pirates, Ubutlan. Wabona, never expecting a hurry. Mbato Tabalite, we say, Ochenchang, the mind, Wabona kick your mind game, right? For okay now, we are our game latela ke Sundowns. So ke man game. Waba where's our ring? But Sundowns ko ba linten they are planning on our middle field. Waba so humpeni we really mutsinse nemtajela instead of Mbat. So it's a man game if we shebella sharp. So well done to our coach. I know ha season is similar. Neri mi interrogate, hey, what, Mari. Now we've got a coach. We've never had a coach who can change a scheme, can change a team 5 times in a row. We've never. This coach will do. It's a history. This is a history that the Pirates have never made.
Mighty. And then Wednesday we have Mamelodi Sundowns Mighty score prediction.
Baba just captain Sarona. We are going to make sure that Habas almost slaughterhouse sumo. They are look at FNB. Okay, now we are going to make sure that Habas Aqua, boy, they can't even walk. It's a walk of shame. We are going to give them a walk of shame when they get out of the field.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thanks, Pagania Bopa.
Guys, this thing is very simple. Lama team ajaga unokwaja ka gesi. Bazolobe sibuka le. Abanye it's 8 points, abanye it's how many? 6. So you do the maths. On Wednesday, we are dealing with them. Do not comment, Buffett. Because sizodila nabo 1 by 1. Washo umboro ngisho be 10. C1. So basilisa 1 by 1 banye nyi.